In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Exness Trading app. If you want to install the Exness Trading app on your Android device, the process is very straightforward and only takes a few minutes. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, unlock your Android phone or tablet and open the Google Play Store app. This is the official app marketplace for Android, and it's the safest place to download verified apps. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data so the store can load properly and complete the download. Once the Play Store is open, go to the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Exness Trade. Be careful to enter the name correctly so you can find the right app quickly. As you type, you may see suggested results appear underneath. Tap the result that matches Exness Trade if it shows up, or finish typing and run the search. Next, look through the search results and select the official app published by Exness Global Limited. This step is important because you want to make sure you're downloading the genuine application and not a similar looking app from another publisher. Taking a moment to confirm the publisher name can help you avoid installing the wrong app. After you open the correct app listing, tap the Install button. The Google Play Store will then automatically begin downloading the app and setting it up on your device. Depending on your internet speed, this may only take a few seconds or a couple of minutes. During this part, just wait for the installation to complete. You don't need to do anything else until the button changes and the app is ready to open. Once the installation is finished, open the app. When it launches, you'll be given the option to register if you're creating a new profile, or sign in if you already have an existing account. Choose the option that applies to you and continue from there inside the app. And that's it. That's how to download the Exness Trading app on Android. As a quick tip, always download apps from the official Play Store listing and double check the publisher name before installing, especially when it comes to financial or trading apps. This helps keep your device and account more secure. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this guide made the setup process simple and easy to follow.